Hi, this is Thaddeus from TLC Slots, and we are here in Cripple Creek, Colorado, and we're playing at the Double Eagle. Let's go win some money. Alright, I found the dancing drums with a grand over $17,000. I put in $100 and I'm going to start with 528 bets. What we really want are drums in this column, and this column. We also want the pot to spill because picking coins is the only way you can win the grand. Out.
Are you doing good?
Yeah. And I was so far behind.
I know.
Shoot.
Alright, I can look around here. Okay, sounds good. Oh, I'm so glad. I was getting nervous.
I like this casino. Do you have $1?
Yeah.
I know, huh? I'm having fun.
Good.
Hey.
Oh, it's terrible. I know, he's got it really bad. That's just driving me crazy. I can't stand to look at it. It's making me lunatic.
Come on, pot. Time to spill. Aw, I feel bad.
I do too.
That's one of Rob's favorite games.
So, this is only a 1 cent. You can't change it, right?
Probably. Alright, come on, you need to pick up the pace, people. Oh, and I got food dogs galore. I got $384 in food dogs. Food dogs. Oh, I didn't need to touch that. I got $410 just now. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Why is that dot there? Why is that dot there? Oh, I only got 3 games. I did something. I put that dot there. Yeah. I think I broke it.
Oh, that's weird.
Holy gosh. Look at this. I shouldn't have picked the mystery because I only got 3 spins. Oh my gosh, I had a $458 bonus. All those food dogs. Look at that. Look at those food dogs.
I got an 80.
Yeah.
That's fine. We'll go over here and got the same thing, so it's just you.
I can't believe that. I was about to give up on this machine because it was being so boring. Not anymore. I believe that I should do a backup spin. Maybe down to 450. Or up to 500, whichever comes first.
Thank you. You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.
Wasn't what I thought.
Alright, I won't go below 450. And I just made $350 on this dancing drums. I am so happy. There you have it, people.